Today on Golden Insights, we're gonna winterize our garden, remove a bunch of the dead material. A lot of it I got out of here already and piled it up in the compost, but we're gonna get some winter crops in, mulch all of the pots and beds, get this prepared to kind of go to sleep for the winter and hopefully have some good crops still in the spring. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna plant some garlic in these beds. I've moved them. This is kind of old soil, so we're gonna refreshen it up with our new planting mix coming soon from Royal Gold. Keep your eyes out for it in the spring. We're gonna add this to these beds, get some fresh organic material, get the garlic planted, and then get the mulch in on top. So this year I'm experimenting with some winter gardening I've not done much of in the past. I know garlic's a great thing to plant this time of year, but we're also gonna play with some carrots. We've got a really mild climate here in Northern California on the coast. I think these are still gonna pop up and do just fine well into December and January. We start getting frost more in late December and early January, and it carries into the spring. So I think these are gonna do just great. We're gonna plant a variety of a couple different kinds of carrots. We got some great Baker Creek heirloom seeds here, and some wonderful organic garlic varieties, some hardneck and softneck, and we'll see what does best. What sort of crops have you had good luck with out in your winter gardens?